Welcome to 4th Industrial Avenue, your gateway to tomorrow's tech today. Are you ready to explore the future? Today we're talking about how edge computing supports 5G networks. In our ever-evolving digital world, two technologies are reshaping the way we interact with the digital sphere: edge computing and 5G. But what are these technologies and how do they work together? Let's start with edge computing. Picture a city. In this city, data is like water, flowing from various sources through pipes to a central reservoir, the data center. Now imagine if, instead of flowing all the way to the reservoir, the water was treated and used right in your neighborhood. That's the basic idea behind edge computing. By processing data closer to where it is generated, at the edge of the network, we reduce the distance it has to travel. This results in significantly lower latency and improved response times. Now let's talk about 5G, the fifth generation of wireless technology. 5G is like a superhighway for data, offering speeds up to 100 times faster than its predecessor, 4G. It also boasts incredibly low latency, often below 10 milliseconds, making it ideal for applications that require real-time processing. Think of autonomous vehicles, remote surgeries, and smart cities where milliseconds can make a world of difference. So how do these two technologies intertwine? Well, by processing data closer to the user, edge computing minimizes the time it takes for data to travel back and forth. This is crucial for 5G applications where milliseconds matter. Moreover, edge computing helps manage the massive amounts of data generated by 5G devices. By handling some of this data locally, it reduces the burden on central data centers and optimizes network bandwidth. And let's not forget about reliability. Distributing data processing across multiple edge locations increases network resilience, ensuring continuous service. Edge computing and 5G are two technologies that are reshaping the way we interact with the digital world. Together, they're paving the way for a future where data is processed faster, networks are more efficient, and our digital experiences are more immersive than ever before. Did you know that edge computing plays a crucial role in making the advancements of 5G possible? Edge computing and 5G are like two sides of the same coin, working hand in hand to enhance performance and capabilities. Imagine a world where everything happens almost instantaneously. That's the promise of 5G with its lightning-fast speeds and incredibly low latency. But to make this a reality, we need edge computing. In the simplest terms, edge computing brings data processing closer to where it's generated. Think of it as placing servers and data storage at the edge of the network, closer to the end user. This reduces the distance data has to travel, significantly lowering latency and improving response times. Edge computing holds three key benefits for 5G networks. Firstly, it reduces latency. By processing data closer to the user, it minimizes the time it takes for data to travel back and forth. This is crucial for 5G applications where milliseconds matter, like in augmented reality and virtual reality experiences. Secondly, it improves bandwidth. Edge computing helps manage the massive amounts of data generated by 5G devices. By handling some of this data locally, it reduces the burden on central data centers and optimizes network bandwidth. Finally, it enhances reliability. Distributing data processing across multiple edge locations increases network resilience. If one edge node goes down, others can take over, ensuring continuous service and reliability. By processing data closer to the user and managing the massive amounts of data generated, edge computing and 5G together are revolutionizing digital experiences. Let's take autonomous vehicles as an example to understand the impact of edge computing and 5G. Autonomous vehicles are like rolling data centers, processing a staggering amount of information in real time. They rely on sensors and cameras to navigate, making split-second decisions to ensure safety. Here's where 5G and edge computing come into play. 5G's lightning-fast speeds and low latency allow these vehicles to communicate almost instantaneously with other cars and infrastructure, but there's more than just speed at stake. The sheer volume of data generated needs to be managed effectively. That's where edge computing steps in. By processing critical data locally right at the edge of the network, it ensures faster decision-making. For instance, if a car detects an obstacle, edge computing allows it to process this information immediately and take the necessary evasive action without waiting for a response from a distant data center. In a world where milliseconds matter, edge computing and 5G are making a significant difference. Thanks for riding along with us on 4th Industrial Avenue. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the symbiotic relationship between edge computing and 5G. To stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. You'll be the first to know when we launch into our next tech exploration. Just a friendly reminder, our insights are meant to enlighten, not to be taken as financial advice. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of tech.